bring up our presenters, actually our first presenter for our Voice of Recovery Awards, Ron Hanaver. Would you take the microphone, please?
I'm Ron Hanaver. I'm here to introduce Dr. Richard Briggs, and I want to read this because I don't want to miss anything. Dr. Richard Briggs was elected to the Tennessee State Senate in 2014, representing District 7. Senator Briggs earned his bachelor's degree in science from the Transylvania University in Lexington, Kentucky. And upon graduation from the University of Kentucky College of Medicine in 1978, Dr. Briggs entered the military service and rose through the ranks to full colonel before retiring. He served in combat during Operation Desert Storm and was awarded the Bronze Star. Thank you for your service, Dr. Briggs. Senator Briggs has practiced heart and lung surgery for over 22 years at Tenova Medical Center in Knoxville. Dr. Briggs is past president of the Knoxville Academy of Medicine and serves on the Board of Trustees of the Tennessee Medical Association. Senator Briggs serves as the second vice chair, Senate, State, and Local Government Committee, as a member of the Senate Health and Welfare Committee. He's a physician. As a physician, Senator Briggs is in a unique position and an important position to inform his colleagues in the legislature during the Health and Welfare Committee's deliberations about the impact of uninsured care in Tennessee. He has been a staunch advocate for Insure Tennessee throughout the state, attending many community meetings and forums on the issue as well. His advocacy efforts provide for treatment for the uninsured and to promote Insure Tennessee led TAADAS to nominate and select him for the Voice of Recovery Award. The Knox Recovery Court and Veterans Treatment Court, we see a lot of individuals, and I would say 99% of the people that come into Recovery Court are not insured and have very few options to get medical services and mental health services and substance abuse services. And going through the legal system is about the only way that they have. Now that we've started the Veterans Treatment Court, a lot of them do have the VA, but a lot of those are uninsured for the length and type of services that they need. But thanks to Senator Briggs, we're finally seeing that changed. And on behalf of the Recovery Court and Veterans Treatment Court and the people that we serve, and other drug courts and recovery courts in the state, as well as the citizens of Knox County and Tennessee, we really appreciate Senator Briggs' efforts, and we appreciate his efforts with all Tennesseans. And I would like to say thank you to Senator Briggs for serving his community, serving his state, and serving his nation. So on behalf of TAADAS, we would like to have him accept the Voice of Recovery Award for 2015. And on behalf of Senator Briggs, Sarah Adair is here to accept the award.
John York, the CEO of Samaritan Recovery, is going to make the next award.
Good evening. I'm John York from Samaritan Recovery Community here in Nashville. Excuse me. And it's my honor tonight to be able to present the other Voice of Recovery Award to one of my Nashville area legislators, Senator Jeff Yarbro. Senator Yarbro is originally from Dyersburg, Tennessee, and after growing up there, he left to go to Harvard University, where he graduated with honors in 1999 with a degree in government. That was followed by law school at the University of Virginia, and after a clerkship with federal judge Gilbert Merritt, he began work as an attorney at Bass, Berry & Sims here in Nashville. Since joining the law firm, he has represented Tennessee businesses, nonprofits, and individuals in state and federal courts, and has consistently devoted over 20% of his time as a lawyer to working on behalf of clients who are unable to pay for representation. And that's the people we serve, Senator. Jeff is married. His wife, Tyler, is with him here tonight. They have a son, Jack, and they live in West Nashville. Jeff is active in the community, walking for the sexual assault victims at the Sexual Assault Center's annual Walk in Their Shoes event, serving on the Capital Campaign Committee for Casa Azafran. That's a collective of nonprofits who provide services to immigrants and refugees. And he's co-chair of Metro Schools' Transformational Leadership Group for high schools. He has served as an education policy advisor to Mayor Dean and received the Pencil Foundation's Volunteer of the Year Award for 2010 and 2011 for his work with public education. In the legislature, Senator Yarbro has served as a member of the Senate Rules Committee and the Senate Transportation and Safety Committee, but it's on the Senate Health and Welfare Committee where he has particularly distinguished himself as they deliberated the fate of Insure Tennessee. He has been a strong advocate for Insure Tennessee and for making sure Tennessee's citizens have access to health care, including addiction treatment. He has attended many community events across the state and forums around the state, working to advance Insure Tennessee, and has consistently demonstrated his commitment to accessible health care for all Tennesseans, as evidenced by his recent comments, and I quote, "Moving past politics and doing the right thing on health care must be priority number one as we prepare for the 2016 legislative session." Senator Yarbro, we thank you for your leadership on this issue, for your activism in our community to help make health care and addiction coverage a reality for all Tennesseans. And on behalf of TAADAS, I am honored to present to you our 2015 Voice of Recovery Award.
Thank you so much. I wish my mom was here to hear that. At least my wife was here. So my wife, Tyler, who has worked as a public defender and in that for a number of years here in Nashville, and through that work, I think, came to know the real value of a lot of the agencies that are in this room. I want to I'm very proud to share this award with Senator Richard Briggs, and I'm going to do something you're not supposed to do in politics, which is talk nice about somebody who's in the other party. We both joined the legislature this year, and he's a Republican. I'm a Democrat. We disagree on all sorts of things, but this is a place where we looked at the issue, we looked at what the state needed, and we really have worked together, and we've grown to respect each other a great deal. And I'm sorry he can't be with us here tonight, but he is truly a courageous public servant for his leadership on this. When you join the legislature, the first thing you figure out is how many issues there are. There's, everything under the sun has a different set of rules, different set of laws, different set of regulations, different bodies. But the longer you stick around, you realize that there are a few things that cross a lot of different areas. And when we start talking about crime and education, healthcare, economic development, one of the things that you can see every day is that substance abuse, mental health issues affect each and every one of those areas. And we as a state haven't done what we need to do to take that seriously enough. And I think that we've got to continue that work. We've got to support the work that you're doing in our communities every day. you're taking people at the breaking point and helping them back to a life that's productive and successful, we hope. And I just want to applaud all of you for the work that you do to make our community safer, our state better, and the lives of so many people across the state better. So thank you so much. I really do appreciate this, but thank you very much.